Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Vox. Tracy here, and I've got a little mystery bag of yarn. I do indeed have a little mystery bag, and I stock this yarn. No, I stock this brand of yarn in my shop, and a little while ago I was talking to the company on the phone and mentioned that I'd quite like to see some of the other yarns and everything, and so they said, oh, we'll send you some samples. So this is some samples of yarn that I've not actually stocked yet, and maybe some I have, I don't know, we'll have to see, in my shop, which is hobbyrocks.co.uk. I do ship worldwide. In fact, if I don't ship to where you would like, just say and I get it put on. I've just recently added Mexico. Anyway, these are, like I say, a little collection of yarns, all different ones from Stylecraft, and ones I've not had the chance to have a good squish of as well, so that's good. Not only is it good for me to have a look up close and see, some of these might find their way into my shop, you never know. So let's see, this one is called Life DK by Stylecraft. This one is a kind of a beigey colour. Now I've seen a lot of patterns for Life. It's 75% premium acrylic and 25% wool. 298 meters or 326 yards. It's machine washable, cool tumble dry, and this shade is called Parchment, which is quite a good colour for it, I suppose, isn't it? 2445 Parchment, and I would agree with that. That does look like, what is that? Is that a hair? A free hair, not mine, but I got a free hair from the person backing it. How nice is that? A free hair. Bless. Okay, so it's machine washable, cool tumble dry, cool iron. So that's Life DK. It seems like a really good durable type of DK yarn for everyday use, if you kind of get my drift. It smells amazing. It smells like yarn. So that's Life, and I guess that's I keep touching the buttons. I guess that is a really good apt sort of name for it, really, because you can do a multitude with it. Ooh. Now this, I like this. I do like this. This is Stylecraft Baby Sparkle. And what I like about it is the sparkle is all different colours. Sometimes I don't like a sparkle yarn when the sparkle is, say, silver and the yarn is like a navy blue or something. Oh, it smells gorgeous. But I do like it when, so that the glitz is a different colour from this yarn, but it's more of a feature because it is all different colours. Now, if I put it up close, it doesn't look as colourful as it does when I look at it. If they're more vibrant, the sparkly colours. 80%, no, I lied. 98% acrylic, 2% lurex will give you 220 meters or 243 yards. This is called Sherbet Sparkle 6103, and it's a beautiful kind of light teal with lovely sparkles in. I did want to see this one, so obviously some of them they've sent because I asked for them. Now this I have had in my shop. I'm not sure if I've had this colour, but this is the Wonder Soft Merry-Go-Round DK, and it is extremely soft. It really, really is. I do stock this already, some of the really vibrant ones. I did have it up there for quite some time, a few of my own. But this is 100% premium acrylic, and it is gorgeously soft. 294 meters or 322 yards. And it is 40 degrees machine washable, cool tumble dryer and cool iron. And this one is 3142 Rainbow, and it is, I love those colours, aren't they vibrant? The ones I've got in my shop, don't think I have Rainbow, but it is. And I'm not sure that I told you the washing on this one, did I? 30 degrees machine washable, cool tumble dryer, and You may dry clean it and a cool iron. So that's pretty cool. Iron. That is pretty decent. I like it. And this one, the little tiny ball. This is Stylecraft Naturals Organic Cotton. Cute little ball. Look at that. Cutie pie. 50 grams. And it's approximately 105 meters or 115 yards. So quite a lot. And this colour is sea green. Sea green. Very nice. I like that colour a lot. Very pretty. 100% organic cotton. 30 degrees machine washable. You may dry clean it. And a cool tumble dryer and a cool iron. Very, very durable. Okay, so I think I've told you everything there is to... Yeah, I like that one. So that's their organic cotton range. I am looking for some different cotton yarns. I did want to try this as well. This is the Stylecraft Softy Chunky. I liked the look of it. I like the kind of the way it looked on the picture. So I wanted to see what this is like. Now it is a donut, so I might find it hard to read it all. But a chunky yarn is a bulky 5 across the pond. This is do not tumble dryer. You may dry clean it and cool iron, so it must be machine washable behind there. I can't really see that bit of the yarn band, unfortunately. This is called Zest, 3985 Zest. Very nice. I do like it. And there we go. Oh, there we are. 80% premium acrylic and 20% wool. 170 meters or 186 yards. I like that colour, don't you? It's a bit, not one that I would sort of go out of my way to choose, but now I've seen it, I do like that one. I'm sorry if the light makes me look a bit closer. Ah, what's this? Now this is called Savannah, and it's an Aran yarn, and I've seen this in the website and often thought, ooh, you know, looks interesting, and that's how it looks. It's a kind of a, the way it's wound, it's kind of cute and small, isn't it? So let's see, Aran weight, it is 100% cotton, 100 grams, 165 meters, 180 yards. And this is called Tundra, 3792 Tundra. I like the way it's wound, and I like the little ball. It's kind of cute. Still 100 gram though. Interesting. Oh, that didn't feel as soft. What have we got here? Grace. This is Stylecraft Grace. Very fuzzy yarn. Now this is 85% premium acrylic, and there's only 10% mohair and 5% wool, but I could feel that a minute I touched it because I'm allergic to mohair, which is why I said it didn't feel rough, it just feels mohair. I can't use mohair. So this is cool tumble dry, machine washable 30 degrees, and Aran weight yarn, 295 meters, 322 yards, 2150. It's called Petals, but you can see that lovely fuzziness. Very nice. Nice colour, isn't it? Real kind of like a blush colour. That is pretty. Shame I can't use it myself, but just can't. Now this I do stock. This is Highland Heathers DK, and I have this colour if I have any left. This is called Lock. I don't know if I've got any lock left. Lock left. Not Lock Lomond. 3751 Lock. 100% premium acrylic and 272 meters, 297 yards. Again, machine washable, cool tumble dry and cool iron. I like these. See all those different colours that kind of make up blue when you hold it back, but when you look up close, and all of the Highland Heathers have got that kind of vibe going on. Very, very pretty yarn. I like that one. I do. I don't know if I've got any lock left in the shop. I will have to get some if not. Now I do also stock this Whether I have this colour, possibly. Now these are batik swirl. I do also do the little batik, the 50-gram ball, but this is another batik, and these are the swirl big cakes. 80% premium acrylic and 20% wool. There's 550 meters or 601 yards in a cake. Again, they're machine washable and cool iron and tumble dry. This one's called Meadow. I think I do stock Meadow, not absolutely sure. It seems familiar. There is a pattern there that's available at Stylecraft, and there's a free pattern on the reverse of the band. Pattern also available, so that is the pattern that's on the reverse of the band, but it's also available on the other side. So they're 200-gram cakes. So that is my my mystery bag of yarn, courtesy of Stylecraft. Tell me, do you like them? What would you think you'd like to see me stock? A couple of cottons there that I'm really interested in. They're very nice. I like them. There's a tiny little ball, but the way they've wound this as well, it feels like a really tiny little ball, but it's still 100 grams. Just an interesting way of winding it. There's a lot of interesting ways to wind yarn these days, and sometimes it's not always easy to read the band, but and it's not easy to store them either sometimes. But I like that, I must admit. I do like this one, and the grace is beautiful. Really like it. Just not for me because of the allergy, but this one is intriguing. I do like this a lot. So yeah, thank you very much, Stylecraft. Been lovely to have a look through them and to see some that I've not used before, and I really did want to know what the life was like, because I've not actually seen it in any shops to have a look at before, and I didn't want. It's really difficult when you're thinking of stocking your shop. It's an online shop, so you know you don't have a rep come round with samples, so it's really difficult sometimes to see a yarn in your mind or on the website and think, oh yeah, I'll get that, and then you don't know what it's going to be like when it arrives. So it is good that they've sent these to me, and I'm definitely going to get some of this. When I saw it on the site and I saw all these different colour sparkles, it can either be yes or no. There is another company that does a lot of these baby sparkle yarns that I do stock, but when I've seen them in the shop, I've never really, you know, if I go in a shop and they stock it, I think, oh, I won't get that. Yeah. But this one I'm definitely going to get, because I can feel the quality, and the colours are very, very nice. So yeah, that's the one. That is a hit. I already stocked this one. But the others I don't, and I'm kind of been interested in this. Obviously it's a chunky, so this side of the world we're moving away from chunkies at this precise moment. But there's always somewhere that's cold, isn't there? Usually here, even in the summer, I have to say, until now, been a bit rubbish. But today is lovely and warm, hence the fan, so I'm sorry about the noise. So but tell me, what do you like? Do you, as I say, there are some that I already do stock, but not many. They've done quite well. Really, little cross section. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't already seen it, my other half Gary did a little shop for me. Well, I say a little shop. He did a nice big shop for me, a yarn shop. He went to 2 shops. He went to Hobbycraft and he went to the Range, and I let him loose with a budget, and he came back with yarn. And if you haven't seen that one already, that's now uploaded. And also I've done it as a bit of a tag, because a challenge to others, because I saw that Crystal had done it with her husband, had chosen yarn and arrived in a big box, and I thought that would be great if we all did that. You don't have to do a big budget, it can be a small budget. So if you haven't seen it already, then give that one a watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.